Introducing the biggest, most optimized, feature-packed explainer video toolkit on the market. 10,000 hours of development. 5,000 elements.
Very simple. More than 800 outfits in total for all characters. One-click character generation system. More than 100 different accessories. The most advanced facial expression system. 190 facial expressions with 12 categories.
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll
260 character animations for each character actor.
I want you to hear words, you can say them
Plus
back.
exclusive bonus, 185 animated effects.
It was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
Exclusive and unique, in-trailer character assistant plugin inside.
I don't ever